Go ahead, Omari.
Once upon a time, he was a lady. Once upon a time, was a there was a lady at the time, and there's a goose ride, and there's and it rolled down, and it started rolling, and the car was and it just wondered, and then it started raining. And like that, but I was I start wondering and rain, and it doesn't fall in a and then there's a ghost one, and the way to roll and roll and dash and my other flying cabin. That's why. Yes. That's why yeah. It's this. Oh, yeah. I cut and yeah. It's yours. Yeah. And then once on time it was a fall of day. And talking about it like this.
The end?
And no, not yet. It was so on time. He was a and that's right. Start yet. And that's was and I got one of they for walking that's the and it's once when it start raining, it start wondering. That's all. And my when I put this fell off and bumped my head, and that movie is just done.
The end?
And the end.
You want to go get your home?
I'll do it.
Here.
Okay. Dad, I'm the light off. Once upon a time, there was a old chief, and then he was trying to get everything as he can, but his name was Freddy, and then Milo, and he had our friends as teacher. Then it was morning, then the rooster came, then he rabbits, and then he cracks, and then there was a wolf, and Freddy couldn't know what was that. And he didn't know what to do. It keeps following him. Then he had watched TV. Then it said, oh. Then this. It went upstairs. And then, then it's written of its had of strings of great traffic. Offense. I was like, boo! Then he was like, Rrr! Then he was like, Elsa!
Hello, little people. How are you?
We're making up stories, Mike.
Are you?
Yeah.
It's not good to tell fibs.
It's a ghost story. Once upon a time, he was like, Rrr! What are you getting here?
Okay. Thanks,
The
Javon.
end.
Good job. And you already went, Omari. Take your covers and put them in the bed, okay?